Clock expires, so there's 1 point on the board. And unlike Greco, I said unlike.
Yes.
Freestyle 1-1 score. It's still last point.
Yeah. So the last point wins this match. And right now, Juma Nazarova is up.
Minute to go as the band plays on. And referee gonna warn both wrestlers again, saying more action, no interlocking in the fingers. Juma Nazarova reaching for that far knee. Under 30 to go, so the possibility for another activity period has been thrown out the window. Lee on the quick attack. Nazarova trying to get back to the center to stay in position. Underhook, 2-on-1 attempts. Time winds down, so 1-1 as a pair of inactivity points is all we saw. Last point scored is the tiebreaker. And a stingy bout by both of our athletes is going to make it a 1-1 victory into tomorrow's finals for Kyrgyzstan and Marim